Hello and welcome back to the Retro Bunker channel. Today we're gonna look at a broken Tac2 joystick to the c64. So maybe the cable is broken, it's got some broken parts in there. We need some cleaning and some soldering. So let's go down to the bench and look at it. So here it is. You can see it's kind of broken here. Yeah, so it's been in a rough time. So we should check if we can repair it or it's just gone forever. Let's see if we see anything obvious wrong with it. And all the cables seems to be in place. So I think I must take a new one and compare the cables from this one to the end. So see if that's not broken. And here we got the new one, a new and a functioning one. Looks the same. So we begin to test. I have my multimeter here. See if you can see it in the window. So we begin with the top left. I think it's empty. See if we see any contact here. No. Next one. Sorry, can't see. I put in a little pin inside the hole and take one of the multimeter leads like that, and I search on the plate where it beeps. So number 2 is brown. Brown. Next one is empty. So we take the last one, and the last one should be orange. Yes. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cables, and from this one you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cables. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cables. Yes. So we got them all. Now we can check the other one. So let me arrange. So this is the broken one. And now we know which color it goes into the hole. So the first one is left out, the second one is brown. So we take the pin inside like this. And goes to brown. So we have put in the pin in the first hole for the brown, and we are checking around here, but it's no beeping, so it's broken. The cable is broken on the way in. Do we check the other ones? Green. See where green goes. Here it's okay. Next one, it's blue. Yeah, the blue is the same. So we have many of them broken in the cable. Orange is kind of working. So the cable is broken. So it's a chance the cable is broken in the beginning or might in the end. So I don't got any new one of these, so my chance is to try to cut the cable and make it shorter and see if I get connection through this one. So I cut it in front of this one, just like this. So, and now we will check if the cables from this side to this side is working. Then we can repair it. Or I need to order a new one and make a new. And here we got all the cables. So hope you can see that. You're gonna zoom in a bit. So now I'll put it inside where brown should go. Hope you can see that. Not the first hole, but then the second hole on the top array. Put red or black on it, doesn't matter. And now I know it's brown, so I can go to the brown cable directly. Oh, it doesn't respond on any of them. So maybe the cable is broken up here. We can test and see. If I wiggle it a little bit, yeah. Now you see if you wiggle the cable, so the cable is broken here. So maybe if I cut it up higher and see if we can do a little repair of this one. So I have cut it off. I will cut into the strain relief and remove it. And see if I can cut around this one carefully. But I think it's more broken inside, but we will see. Now we know the brown cable is bad. So I cut up the brown cable here. Now we only need to oh, the pin is already there. Okay. Red lead on the pin. And on the brown, nothing. Yeah? So, that's good. So we can make an homemade repair of this one. So we begin to tin the cables. From the connector side, and the other ones too. And the last one. So we have tinned all the cables. Now we're gonna have put some shrink tube over them. Now I have put on some shrink tube on this one, and I'm gonna connect the brown to the brown and the white to the white, and so on and so on. Brown is connected. I hope you see. The camera could go out of focus. So now the white one. And the last one is green. So now we're gonna warm them up so they connect. Let's take the hot air. Now you see the cables cannot touch each other and send some signals over, but now the strain relief will be down here, so we must do something special over this one to make it sturdy. So I will take one of these heat shrink tubes and then another one, a bigger one, over the edge of the connector. So I will put it on. Let's see if we fit all of them inside of this one. Yes. So, hope you can see I can put it on the side. A little better view. So, then I shrink this one too. So, then I put another one, a bigger one. To see if it goes over the connector. I hope so. Yet seems to go. And we do the same with this one. We heat it up. So, now it gets very sturdy. So, now we're gonna check the cables from this side. I have shortened it down a little bit and see if the connection is there. So the white one goes to white, yes. Black, I don't think you can see it from the end post here. Black works fine. Blue. Blue goes to this one, yes. The green one goes to this one, yes. Orange goes to this one, yes. And the brown, that was the culprit before, let's see now. So, sorry, there, brown. So, from here the cable is good. So we will do the same repair. We put the same cables together here. We're not going to change something inside here. Only this one I see it a little bit loose. So we're going to fix that one. Sorry, I didn't see the camera was off. So, but I have done exactly the same as before. Yellow to yellow, and solder it and put some heat shrink over it. The tube goes over it like that. And the most important thing when you solder all of this, to put on the heat shrink that's going over the other one before you solder these ones. Okay, now we're gonna heat them up and shrink them down. So, sorry about the noise. Put them other ones together. And put over the other heat shrink. Like that. We shrink this one too. But it's very sturdy, so it will take the beating. Now we see this one. It's a very bit loose, so we will take it out like that and pressure the gap a little bit closer, not too much, on the both sides. So sorry about. So you put it back and you can feel if the other ones, and this one is very loose, this one even, but I do that off camera. So now I put back all the contacts. I'm gonna clean here with some cotton buds, so the contact should be good, and it's very dirty, many years. And the stick even. Here's the stick. So it's very important to put back. I have some grease here. Put it back on the contact. It's a contact grease. On the contacts. So I got the steel wool on the caps or the contacts. And even you should do it on the plates. See the plates here? You can take out. I will clean them. So I have cleaned them up, and you see the buttons are very toasty. I got a plastic revival. I will spray on them. They will not be like new, but a little bit better. A little bit shinier. So and now we're going to, you see this plastic is broken, so I will fill it up. I put the cable over here and I will fill it up with some hot glue. It will help. You can make a knot on it, but the hole is too big, so I will just glue it into place. It's not so beautiful, but it will work. That. So we will let the glue be cold. I'll be back then. So here we got it. I did some more gluing on the top side so it gets sturdy. And you see, that's the old one. Yes, let's plug it in. Let's choose Park Patrol as usual. See the joystick here? Press F1 for players, and now you see up, down, left, right, jump with the fire button, jump. Let's test an other fire button. It works. Oh, sorry. Oh, I died. Up, down, left, right, fire button. Oh. So it works. Great. So that is for today. The joystick is working and it's special repaired, if you call it that. But it's better to repair it than it goes into the garbage. The game is playing. Yes, I'm gonna play some more. See you next time.